Es hora de las noticias. Adriano, Luciana y Santiago nos compartirán datos interesantes sobre algunos animales. Amazing Animals News.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Santiago Gómez Tito.
I am Luciana Valesca.
And I am Adriano Lamadrid.
Today is Friday, Thursday, and it is too hot.
In this opportunity, we want to show you some interesting facts about amazing animals.
Invited Adriano, can you mention the first animal, please?
Of course, Luciana, this is an amazing raccoon.
Raccoon sections colors very well.
That's surprising, Luciana. What about foxes?
Foxes can see in the dark.
Really? What are foxes?
On the other hand, beavers can build canals and water barrages.
Magnific! I have a video about that.
We're here in the wilderness of the Rocky Mountains, observing nature's impressive architects and engineers, beavers. By creating this pond, they're preventing soil from being washed away, and they're creating a place where new plants and insects can flourish. Beavers think ahead and secure their food supply long before they'll need it. They drag these branches into the water, where they'll stay fresh and accessible during the winter freeze. Flash forward to the winter freeze, when the frigid temperature has turned the mud and sticks into a secure shelter for the beavers. Each dwelling houses a single beaver family. Yep, with a mom and dad, and did I mention beavers mate for life? And each home has an elk.
That was great, Adriano. Thank you.
Finally, we have a squirrel that can fly.
Yes, Santiago. Let's watch the next video.
At no risk to the animals. Their wings are flaps of skin stretched between their wrists and their ankles. Their hands and feet wiggle in opposite directions to help control their descent. A tail with feathered fur helps them change direction mid-flight. Cartilage alongside their wrists can slow them down for landing. This cartilage flares and acts like a stole tip on the wing of an airplane on a short runway.
That's a surprise.
These animals have many abilities.
Yes, and what can you do, Santiago?
I can fly the float. Look. And you?
I can play the guitar. Luciana, can you play the guitar?
No, I can't, but can read a drop.
Oh, we are very talented.
Yes, I am hungry. Let's eat old friends.
Good idea. I want us. Hamburger is $3.50.
No, my mom is cooking a big chocolate cake and you are invited.
Seriously? It sounds good.
Luciana. Let's visit your mall.